the lion and the mouse.
Mm.
Once a lion was asleep. A little mouse began running up and down. Out
Apan?
upon the little mouse.
Apan him? May him doon.
My head
Him.
soon down
Mm.
upon him. This soon waked the lion, who placed his shoes upon the little mouse and opened his little big
Anong little... ano yan?
jaws
Sige nga.
to hold on.
Ito muna. Swallow. Swallow.
Swallow
Mm-mm.
him. Oh, what's that?
Oh, basahin mo.
I don't know. What's
Pardon?
that? Pardon. Oh, king cried at the little mouse.
Ano to?
The little mouse, let me go this time, and I shall never forget it. Who knows but one
Anong want?
what
Okay.
I may be edible.
Ano?
No.
Anong basa dyan?
I don't know.
Ulitin mo.
Able
Oh.
to you
Uy.
to do down
Uy, ulit.
to do you a good turn some 3 days of
Of?
3 days
Anong tree?
enough of these days.
Mm.
The lion was so tickled at the idea of the mouse. What is that?
Basahin mo.
I don't know what begin.
Begin ba yan?
Hindi.
Ano yan?
I don't know.
Being.
Being
Again.
edible.
Anong edible?
No.
Again, tignan mo.
Able
Oh.
to help him that be left at
Ano yan?
I don't know.
Try mo.
Lifted
Lifted.
up his paw and let him go.
Ikaw naman magturo. Pagod na ako. Oh, dito. Turo mo yung daliri mo.
Some
Ayan o.
time later, the lion was caught in a trap. The hunters, while they went in search of a wagon to carry him on, just then the little mouse happened to pass by, and seeing the sad fight.
Fight ba yan?
Hindi.
Ano yan?
I don't know. I don't know that.
What letter is this?
P.
What's the sound?
P.
The sound. P.
Polite.
Oh, again?
Polite.
Okay.
In which.
Ito muna. Ulit.
Okay.
Anong basa dyan?
Polite.
Ang likot mo naman. Dito na. Like.
In which the lion went up and
Went up. Went up.
To him, and soon he
Nod.
nod away. Dito.
Silent nga. Walang sound kapag ganyan. Anong basa dyan?
Nod.
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 Kikipag-away ka pa eh.
Nod.
Ah,
This is the letter G.
pagkalaki mo, maintindihan mo. Ano?
Away. The rose. The found. The king of the big.
Ulit, but
Beast.
the...
The king of beasts.
Anong beats?
No.
Ayusin mo anong beats.
Ano?
Tignan mo ah. Beats ba yan?
Hindi.
Ano?
Ah.
Beasts.
Beast.
Bulol. Ah.
I was
Anong I was?
not
Baliktad ka na.
was I not right, said the little mouse. Little friends may
Ulit.
process.
Ano yan?
I don't know
Basa.
what is it.
Ulit dito.
Little friends may process.
Prove.
Great friends.
Ano yung binasa mo? Anong title? What's the title?
The lion and the mouse.